Hi and welcome back to my channel, Lavina's Vlogs. And today I'm going to take you all through the journey of, not journey exactly, but celebration of Ganpati. And I have been a part of this at my friend's place for like since 2015. I think 2014, 15, 16, either of that years. But since the time I've started that, I don't think I have missed it. Never. Wherever, even if I'm traveling or even if I'm sick or something, I think I still made it. And actually, during those times, I think I am quite good and available all the time. So, yes, it's interesting. And how they make the decorations at home, the food is so good. And so many people come. It's a different vibe. I know because different people celebrated it differently. But this is something that. I always wanted to be a part of, but I could never because back in Mangalore, I don't remember doing all these things. And anyways, there was no permissions to do all that. We were not let to go out and all like that to anybody's house and all. So, but here, since I came and since I met my bestie, and it's my bestie, so obviously I would not say no at any cost, So we all catch up there now because we are not working together. We work in different companies now, but our friendship started from that company where, because of that, we are all together. And it's been quite a long time now. It's almost 10 plus years. We are friends, by the way. So, yeah. So, today I will take you all there and show you how the decoration is done, what things happen. But of course, this is going to be raw because I'm not going to sit and edit a lot because I want to post it this week itself. This is happening on 27th of August. So, I hope to post it by this weekend, if not latest by the next weekend, but I'm trying my best. Yeah, so it's going to be raw and exactly what happens, and look at the crowd. And of course I'll try to put some information, whatever I can, in the description. If you can't understand, if you have doubts, questions, ask me, because I am not a pro in that, but I will ask and I'll get the answers. And stay tuned and keep following me, show some love and be good. Like any other videos of mine, I thought I will just upload this Ganno video with background music. Until I was showing the reel that I made and I posted on Instagram to my colleague who was enjoying the overall vibe while at work. And then she tells me, I love this. It's so beautiful. But I don't know what is all this about. Who is that with the elephant head? And she tells me, make one more video and share the details of what is all happening. And there are many people like me who are non-Indians, like who have the interest in the Indian culture. But yes, there is no one to explain. Yes, there are many videos. Not everyone watches all of them. Not everyone understands. And that's when I decided I'm going to make a short voiceover for this video with the help of ChatGPT and few of the information that I already have. So let's get started. What is Ganesh Chaturthi? Ganesh Chaturthi is a vibrant Hindu festival that celebrates the birth of Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed deity known as the remover of obstacles, patron of arts and sciences, and a god of wisdom and prosperity. It's one of India's most beloved festivals, especially in states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Why is it celebrated? Mythological significance. According to Hindu mythology, Ganesha was created by goddess Parvati and later given an elephant head by Lord Shiva. His birth is seen as divine moment that brings luck and removes negativity. Spiritual meaning, the festival marks a time to seek Ganesha's blessings for success, clarity, and peace, especially before starting new ventures. When is it normally celebrated? Ganesh Chaturthi typically falls in August or September, depending on the lunar calendar. In 2025, it begins on 27th August and lasts up to 10 days, ending on Anant Chaturdashi. The families may host Ganesha for 1.5, 3, 5, 7 or 10 days depending on their family tradition. On the final day, the idol is immersed in water called Visarjan to symbolize Ganesha's return to his celestial abode, taking away devotees' obstacles and negativity. What makes this so special? Streets come alive with music, dance and massive community pandals, that's the decorated tents. And if you watch the Mumbai events during this time, you will get an idea what I'm telling. Home rituals like families install clay idols, perform daily prayers and pujas, and offer sweets like modaks, which is Ganesha's favorite treat. It's time of togetherness, devotion, and cultural pride, blending spirituality with celebration. Normally, in this rituals and traditions, there is an idol installation which happens. The idol is placed in a clean, decorated space, ideally facing a particular location. There is daily puja that's done, chanting of mantras, lighting lamps, offering flowers, and food. Also, there are eco-friendly practices like clay idols and natural decorations are encouraged to protect the environment. Some things that you need to follow during these days, like must-haves, are modaks and laddus, that's the sweet offerings which are the favorite for this festival. Fresh flowers and rangolis. Sattvic food, most of the people those who follow. Family participation, everyone joins in the rituals, creating shared spiritual experience. Now, some things to keep in mind. Don't place the idol in bedrooms or near toilets. These are considered to be impure places. Don't use plaster of Paris idols. They harm water bodies during immersion. Don't leave the idols unattended or uncovered. It's seen as disrespectful. Avoid loud disturbances or arguments during the festival. It's a time of peace and positivity. Don't immerse idols in dirty water. Use designated and eco-friendly methods. This is just a gist of what happens in and around this Ganesh festival. This is just for an idea for a non-Indian who wants to understand what we are doing exactly here. So this is it. In this video, currently what we are doing is the similar things that I explained here. Like, we are doing the pujas, we are offering the gifts, we are doing the aarti, that is the traditional things that are followed here, like, so yeah, it's the family get together, family, friends, everybody, and obviously well dressed and just having fun.
Om Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jati Parvati Pita Mahadeva, Mata Jati Parvati Pita Mahadeva, Arjane Pujane, Arjane Meva, Arjane Pujane, Arjane Meva, Veron Pavo Jage जय गणेश देवा माता जगी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जगी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जगी पार्वती पिता महादेवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट रात जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे जो चाहे फल पावे दुख बिन से मन जाओ स्वामी दुख बिन से मन जा दुख संपत्ति कर आवे दुख संपत्ति कर आवे कष्ट मिटे धन का ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता तुम मेरे शरण करूं मैं किसकी ओ स्वामी शरण करूं मैं किसकी तुम बिन और न दूजा प्रभु बिन और न दूजा आस करूं मैं किसकी ओम जय जगदीश हरे तुम पूर्ण परमात्मा तुम अंतर्यामी ओ स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी ब्रह्म परमेश्वर ब्रह्म परमेश्वर तुम सबके स्वामी ओम जय जगदीश हरे तुम करुणा के सागर तुम पालन करता स्वामी तुम पालन करता रक्त दल स्वामी है गणपति बप्पा मंगलमूर्ते गणपति बप्पा मंगलमूर्ते गणपति बप्पा अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस
पैसे
तो
मत जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी
बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
मंगलमूर्ते
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
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 गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
मंगलमूर्ते
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
मंगलमूर्ते
मोरया
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
Thank you for watching my video. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
मंगलमूर्ते
मोरया
अगले बरस तो
जल्दी आ
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया
मंगलमूर्ते
मोरया
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया